You may play it.
Hello.
I'm sorry about
Coming up on Real People with Gloria Allred.
Hello.
there were ashes and burn marks on the vehicle.
And later,
They wanted to take a photo of his son, underage, drinking alcohol.
closed captioning provided by
People who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma have many questions. How did I get this disease? What are my symptoms?
Step up right now. You step up right now. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hello, Mamba. What are you doing? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Come here. Come here. How you doing? I'm here. How you doing? Who's a pretty girl? You wanna come here? Wanna come here? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. No, no treats yet. Come here. Come here. Hey. Hey. No treats yet. Come here. Let me pet the baby. Oh, come here. Come here. Come here. Let me pet the baby. Oh, let me pet the baby. Oh, who's a good bird? What? She's a nano bird? Huh? Oh, it's a good nano bird. Right, again, come here. Stop. Stop. What are you talking about, Isaiah? What is going on?
Alright, I am now looking at the photograph.
Huh? What'd you say?
It was obviously by fire. Also, it looks as though there is damage to
What?
the
Hey,
car inside.
what's Isaiah talking about?
Looks as though there are ashes
Huh?
on the vehicle.
What's Isaiah talking about? Is he saying, I love you? I love you.
Insurance company, so you are seeking
Yeah.
deductible.
You getting all your new feathers in, huh?
Thank you very much. We'll admit all of that into
Huh?
evidence.
No, Nano.
Do
Oh my
see
goodness.
there is some animosity between you and
What are you?
your former-
Why are you crying?
Well, she was shocked.
Why are you crying, Isaiah?
And she's a safe cadet because she wanted to see my son. We agreed that I was not going to do this because
You want
I
kisses?
don't have to sit there and listen to her insult me like she does. No, she didn't say that. But there was a record that she wanted to bring made on Facebook.
You're a monster.
And that his party, this is your child. I do.
I want you to
Where you going, baby?
and do not say a loud word until the court addresses you. You understand? What was the agreement, Ms. Defendant?
That she wanted to be more that because we do not get along, I'm going to go down the street to a grocery shop. They have their time.
Hello?
3 hours or shorter. If it's shorter, she would call me. And at this time, I'm entrusting her to
There was
take.
no. All right. Thank you very much.
Hello?